wide, moves like a snake in the tide. F is for flounder, flat little fish on ocean floor. Look so funny, hard to ignore. G is for goldfish, small and golden in a bowl. Swims in circles, round and roll. H is for herring, swims in groups side by side. Shiny silver in the tide. I is for ice fish, lives in waters cold as ice. Freezing home but feels so nice. J is for jellyfish, soft and floaty, drifting slow. Don't touch it, ouch, no, no. K is for koi fish, bright colors swimming with grace. Peaceful beauty in one place. L is for lionfish, spiky fins and stripes so bold. Look so pretty, but don't hold. M is for mackerel, quick swimmer in the sea so blue. Shiny stripes in silver hue. N is for needlefish, long and thin like a tiny spear. Zooms through water quick and clear. O is for octopus, 8 arms waving all around. Smart and sneaky ocean clown. P is for pufferfish, puffs up big when it feels fear. Turns into a spiky sphere. Q is for queen angelfish, royal colors bright and grand. One of the prettiest in the land. R is for rainbow fish, shiny scales in every light. Sparkles like a rainbow bright. S is for salmon, swims upstream strong and bold. Brave little fish, never controlled. T is for tuna, fast and strong in ocean wide. Never stops its speedy ride. U is for unicorn fish, horn on head, strange but cool. Ocean's creature, nature's rule. V is for velvet fish, soft and smooth with gentle glide. Hides in reefs where it resides. W is for whale shark, biggest fish in ocean deep. Gentle giant, calm and sweet. X is for x-ray fish, see-through body, bones in sight. Glowing softly in the light. Y is for yellow tang, bright yellow, swimming with cheer. Easy to spot from far and near. Z is for zebrafish, striped like